Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing one of my favorite subscription boxes, that is the Posh Case, and this box is a lifestyle subscription box priced at rupees 1299 all inclusive. And guys, this box is really amazing, so let's just go in and see this box. So I received this box in an outer courier packaging. This was the inner packaging, guys. Unfortunately, the box had broken off during transit, so it is in pieces, guys, as you can see, but the products inside are intact. In addition, I also received this one package, so let me just get all the things out of it and then see them one by one. The first thing to come out of it is this beautiful huge bag. So it's really a big size bag. You can carry it with you for your shopping trips. It's just like a multi-purpose bag. The material is quite nice with long handles, but honestly it may not carry too much weight in it. It's a good bag and it has this button closing here and another small bag in it. So this is the other bag within this bag to keep your smaller things and some essentials. So this was the first product. I'm quite happy with this bag, guys. It is definitely a good product, something that you can use very frequently. The next product that I have received is a shirt, and it is a beautiful cotton shirt with some studs on it and a pretty design. So this is how it looks. I quite liked it. It's a full sleeve shirt with embroidery on its cuffs too. So I am very happy to get this, and yes, I like this product too. So a big thumbs up to Posh Case till now. The next thing to come out of it is this beautiful earring. Just look at them, guys. They are so pretty. I mean, the material is very nice. It's like a antique gold finish and with this ghungroos down below, and they are going to look just fabulous. You can team it up with whatever you want to. It would look good both ways, on an ethnic as well as an Indian wear. Then I have received the oil from Dr. Arnold's The Earth brand. I have not heard of this brand before. Let us just open it and see. So this oil is a hair fall control and hair damage therapy. It's a 100 ml product, and these are all the contents in it. The contents appear to be very interesting, and I'm sure this is going to work. So yes, this is definitely a good product and something that one should try. This is priced at rupees 250. I think it's very economical. This is how the container looks. It has got a flip cap here, and this is the oil. It's a dark brownish black oil, and it has all the important ingredients, guys. So this is definitely something that I look forward to using. The fragrance is quite pleasing too. So this was the next product. I'm happy that Poshcase has been so thoughtful and put in a really good touch to the products this time. In fact, they do it every time. Then I have got a pack of wipes. This is the second one I have got this month. I got a pack of wipes in some other box too. This is how it looks. You can keep it in your bag and you can pull out the wipe from here. The best part about this is you can hang this to your backpacks or other things, and it's quite convenient for use. With the summers coming up, I think this is a perfect touch. Having wet wipes is a good idea. So yes, happy with this product too. Then I have received something in this cute packaging. Poshcase definitely has a different way of packaging, and they take so much care in putting everything in its place. Oh my god, this is such a cute touch. This is a soap from Pure Love. It's a handcrafted soap, and I can smell the sandalwood, you know. I mean, it is so fragrant. I mean, I can smell it from this distance also. Very happy to get this soap too. And just look at its packaging. It's so cute. Happy. I really love this product too. Then I have received a product from the Bragg store. It is a classic bikini. It's a pack of two, and I mean, I'm really happy to get this. Last time I think we got a bralette from them, and it was a nice touch. No other subscription box puts such stuff in your subscription, and this is absolutely customized to your size. So fantastic. I mean, I'm very happy to get such useful products. And this time there is a hygiene product, again an intimate hygiene product from the brand Nilori, and it is a panty liner, I guess. Yes, It is a bamboo biodegradable panty liners, and I'm very happy to get this again. Panty liners are quite useful, especially for those days just before your period when there is a little amount of spotting, or on those days after your periods when there may be some spotting or some discharge, and this keeps you dry. And the good part is they are biodegradable, so yes, they are environment friendly. Otherwise, the pads which we use, typical pads that we use, are not biodegradable, neither are the panty liners, and actually they take hundreds and millions of years to decompose and actually are an environmental hazard. So even though we find it a necessity, but they are a hazard. Oh my god, it's not over yet, guys. I'm so thrilled with this time's box. The next one, I have got a makeup product from LA Colors, and it is a powder blush with a brush applicator. Guys, I am honestly loving this. I like LA Colors, the makeup. I did not own something like this. The shade is very nice. Happy to get this. So Posh Case, you have done a really fantastic job, guys. I think you have just set yourself apart from all the other boxes. This box is so convincing, so nice. I'm so happy to get all these products. You have been really thoughtful in adding the products which are really important, and it doesn't end with it. So I have got another product which is an eatable. It is the slab butter popcorn, and it is priced at ₹5. So happy to get this. So guys, with that we come to the end of this unboxing. It's a super box, guys. I think you should not miss this opportunity. Go ahead and order yours straight away before they stock out, and guys, you are going to love this. Don't miss this opportunity. Once more, I'm saying this. I have loved this box. I have loved each and every product in this box. Very thoughtful. Just grab it, guys. So friends, with that we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.